everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hi, Anna. It's so nice to see you today.
Hi, David. Nice to see you too. You look very cheerful today.
I am. It's a good day. The sun is shining, and I just had my morning coffee.
Ah, coffee. That explains it. You always look happy after coffee.
That's true. Coffee makes everything better.
So today, we're talking about something delicious again. Not food this time, but drinks.
Yes, drinks. Hot drinks, cold drinks, sweet drinks, all of them.
Exactly. And our question for today is, what's your favorite drink and why?
Oh, that's a fun one. There are so many drinks to choose from.
Yes, but let's start with you. What is your favorite drink, David?
That's easy. My favorite drink is coffee.
I knew it.
You did. I think everyone who knows me knows that I love coffee.
So tell us, what kind of coffee do you like?
I usually drink black coffee in the morning. Just coffee and water. No milk, no sugar.
Oh, strong style.
Yes, I like the smell, the taste, the warmth. It wakes me up.
I love the smell of coffee too. It smells like a new day starting.
Exactly. But sometimes, if I go to a cafe, I like a cappuccino. It feels special.
Do you have a favorite cafe?
Yes, there's a small cafe near my house. It's quiet with nice music and soft chairs.
That sounds so cozy.
It is. I go there on weekends with my book. I drink coffee and read. That's my little happy place.
That sounds wonderful. Coffee, music, and a book. Perfect combination.
It is. What about you, Anna? What's your favorite drink?
Mine is tea.
Ah, tea. I knew you would say that.
You know me well. I drink tea every day. Morning, afternoon, evening.
Wow, all day.
Yes, but I change the type of tea. In the morning, I drink green tea. In the afternoon, maybe black tea. And at night, I drink chamomile tea.
You are a real tea expert.
Maybe, but for me, tea is more than just a drink. It's a quiet moment.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? When I drink tea, I stop for a while. I take a break. I breathe, I think, I relax.
Ah, so tea time is like your peace time.
Exactly. It's my way to slow down.
That's beautiful. I think we all need more tea moments in life.
Yes, we do. What about cold drinks? Do you have a favorite one?
In the summer, I love iced lemonade. Cold, sour, and sweet, perfect on a hot day.
Oh, I love lemonade too, especially with mint leaves.
Yes, mint and ice, that's the best.
I remember last summer, I made homemade lemonade. It was so good.
Really? How did you make it?
It's easy. You just need fresh lemons, sugar, and cold water. And if you want, add a little honey.
Honey? Interesting. I should try that.
Yes, it gives a soft sweetness, and it's healthy.
Nice. I'll try your recipe next summer.
And maybe we can have a lemonade party.
I love that idea. The Daily English Lemonade Party.
Perfect name. We can invite our listeners too.
Yes, everyone brings their favorite drink.
That would be so fun.
You know, I think drinks are a big part of our lives.
They are. Every drink has a story. Morning coffee, evening tea, summer lemonade.
Yes, and they remind us of people and places.
Exactly. When I smell chamomile tea, I remember my mother. She always made it for me when I couldn't sleep.
That's so sweet. I have a memory like that too.
Oh, tell me.
When I was little, my dad used to make hot chocolate for me in the winter.
Hot chocolate, yum.
Yes, it was rich and warm with marshmallows on top. We would sit on the sofa, drink it, and watch movies.
That sounds like the coziest memory ever.
It really is. Whenever I drink hot chocolate now, I remember those days.
So warm and happy. I think that's what makes simple drinks special. The memories.
Yes, exactly. It's not just about taste, it's about feeling.
So true.
Okay, Anna, last question. If you could have only one drink for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh no, that's a hard question. Just one?
Yes, just one. Choose wisely.
I think green tea.
Green tea?
Yes, it makes me calm and happy, and it's healthy too.
Good choice. And me? I'd choose coffee. No surprise there.
Of course. We are the perfect team. Coffee and tea.
Yes, we balance each other.
That's true.
So, listeners, what about you? What is your favorite drink?
Tell us in the comments below. Do you love coffee, tea, juice, or something else?
And why do you love it? Maybe it reminds you of a happy memory or a special person.
We can't wait to read your stories.
Yes, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for joining us today on Daily English Practice Channel.
See you next time for more easy, fun, real English conversations.
Bye for now. Tea and coffee.